Yeah. To give us the hope of sportsmanship, our very active, very responsible leader here. Attorney Derek.
Good morning, everyone. Please raise your right hand. Raise your right hand. Raise your right hand and please repeat after me, everyone. I state your name. Okay. State your name. Okay, brother. Then state your name. Do hereby solemnly swear that I will abide by all the rules of the game, that I will respect all laws and decisions of the referees and game officials, and that I will act at all times as a true sportsman whose desire to win is only second to the love of the game itself. I further solemnly declare that each game is a friendly contest done in the spirit of camaraderie and true friendship, where we triumph as considered victors or losers with grace and determined will to win. To all these ideals, I hereby pledge my wholehearted cooperation and full commitment. So help me God. Okay.
Thank you, Attorney Derek. Yeah. And that was a very good declaration from the players. And the next part.